Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the best 4K mirror dashcams front and rear in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 4K mirror dashcams front and rear in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Wolfbox G900 Rearview mirror camera is a cutting-edge device designed to enhance your driving experience by combining the functionality of a rearview mirror with the latest in automotive camera technology. This 12-inch touchscreen mirror display offers a clear, wide-angle view of the road, while its advanced rear camera provides a high-definition, real-time display of what's behind you. With features like a 4K resolution front camera, parking monitor, loop recording, and built-in GPS, the G900 ensures that every journey is recorded with crystal clarity. The Rearview camera's waterproof design ensures it performs reliably in any weather condition, providing you with peace of mind when reversing or parking. The G900 also offers an intuitive user interface, making it easy to navigate through settings and footage. Additionally, its smart motion detection system ensures that only important events are recorded, saving storage space and enhancing efficiency. Whether you're looking to improve safety, monitor your driving, or simply capture memorable moments, the Wolfbox G900 Rearview mirror camera is an indispensable tool for modern drivers. Number 2. The Pelsee P12 Plus 4K Wi-Fi Rearview mirror camera is the ultimate solution for enhancing your driving experience. With a 12-inch mirror dashcam offering crystal clear 4K resolution, this device captures every detail from both the front and rear of your vehicle. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily access your footage on your smartphone or tablet, providing seamless integration with your driving routine. This advanced backup camera ensures a safer reversing experience, giving you a clear view of what's behind you. The 64GB SD card included provides ample storage for your recordings, while the built-in GPS feature tracks your location and speed, adding another layer of security to your journeys. Smart driving technology offers features like parking monitoring, loop recording, and G-sensor functionality, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. Whether you're navigating busy streets or parking in tight spots, the Pelsee P12 Plus enhances safety, convenience, and confidence. Upgrade your car with this high-tech solution for ultimate protection and smart driving support. Number 3. JOMISE 4K Plus 2.5K Mirror Dashcam. Redefine your driving experience. Upgrade your car with the JOMISE 4K Plus 2.5K Detached Rear-View Mirror Camera, designed to provide unparalleled clarity and safety. Featuring a 10.88-inch ultra-wide touchscreen, this dual-camera system captures crystal clear 4K footage from the front and 2.5K resolution from the rear. Enjoy enhanced visibility with the mirror dashcam's sleek design, which seamlessly integrates into your car's interior. The advanced parking assist system ensures stress-free reversing with dynamic guidelines and superior low-light performance. Built for convenience, the detached rear-view mirror camera setup eliminates blind spots, while the loop recording and G-sensor functions protect critical footage during emergencies. Perfect for daily commutes or road trips, the JOMISE mirror dashcam delivers premium performance, security, and peace of mind. Drive smarter and safer with cutting-edge technology that has your back, literally. JOMISE, where safety meets innovation. Number 4. The G900 4K Plus 2.5K Rearview dashcam brings exceptional clarity and safety to your driving experience. Equipped with a 12-inch IPS screen, this dashcam displays ultra-clear visuals in both 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution, allowing for comprehensive footage of your journey. With wide dynamic range, WDR technology, and a 170 degrees field of view, the G900 ensures vivid detail in low light and high contrast settings, capturing every moment with precision. Integrated GPS tracking provides accurate location data, while the Rearview Mirror Stream Media feature offers a real-time review for added safety. Designed with convenience in mind, this dashcam includes a hardwired kit, ensuring continuous power and parking monitoring. The G900 is an essential tool for modern drivers seeking high-quality video, reliable performance, and a safer, more connected drive. Number 5. The Wolfbox G840's 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam with backup camera is a cutting-edge device designed to enhance your driving experience with advanced technology and features. Equipped with a 12-inch smart rearview mirror display, this mirror dash cam offers stunning 2160p Full HD clarity for both front and rear views, ensuring every detail is captured in high resolution. The dual cameras provide comprehensive coverage, allowing you to monitor the road ahead and behind your vehicle. Its night vision feature ensures clear visibility, even in low light conditions, making it perfect for nighttime driving. The built-in GPS enables location tracking and speed monitoring for added security. With easy installation and a sleek design, this dashcam integrates seamlessly into your vehicle. The backup camera helps with parking and reversing, providing a wider angle for better safety. Whether you're driving during the day or night, the Wolfbox G840 is the ultimate solution for keeping you protected on the road. Enhance your car's safety with this premium, all-in-one camera system.